Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Strong Mocha Watermelon. First thing you gotta do is you open this container for a little bit of the hot chocolate mix into this mug, and then pour in the strong coffee from this percolator, and last but not least, you open up this can of watermelon sparkling water and you fill it into this mug. Just gotta let it tastes not that bad. Here, put in a little more. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated strong mocha watermelon. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.